In this video, I'm excited to show you how you can create these adorable high-resolution animated baby versions of animals. You can see, these images are really cool, right? In the next part of the video, I'll demonstrate how to combine 2 or more baby animals into a single image for your animated story video. Just like this. Trust me, this process is super easy with Playground AI's Canvas. By the way, I'm Vishwa. So without further delay, let's make it happen. So can you see I have already opened the website playgroundai.com. I have provided the link in the description as well. So if you are watching my video first time, you don't know about how to sign in with this, so you can watch my previous video. It's pretty simple. We are going to use Canvas for this tutorial. Here is the Canvas option. Canvas uses the Stable Diffusion Excel model. You can see I have already done the basic settings. I'll just tell you. So we are not selecting any filter. In negative prompts, I have written default. If you want, you can also write it down. No control threads. And here, image dimensions, we are taking 1024. You can just click here and edit. And the height is also 1024. Prompt guidance, we are taking 7. Quality and details, 50. And we are just clicking here on randomized. Number of images, we are selecting 4. And sampler, we are going with Euler Ancestral. So now everything is done. What I'll do, I'll simply copy the prompt. I will provide all the prompts and the negative prompts in the description. If you want, you can follow along me as well. So I copied the prompt. Here you can see fourth option, generation frame. Just click on that and like this frame will open. And here in the text box, just paste the prompt. Click on generate. The prompt is cute baby tiger cub playing in jungle animate. So this is a simple prompt. Yeah. So can you see? We got the result and the result is pretty impressive. Here is the option zoom in and zoom out. Just click on the plus to zoom. Yeah, you can see the result. It's pretty cool. So according to our prompt, we have written cute baby tiger cub. So we got that baby tiger. Let's improve this image more. I'm just adding the additional thing in that. You can see the new prompt is, I'll just click on generate. Cute baby tiger cub playing in jungle animated Toy Story. Toys come to life, highly detailed. So this is our result. So we have written like toy come into life. So that's why. So it's on you which prompt you want to use. If you don't like, you can just regenerate again with the same prompts. I'm just regenerating now. Yes, see. As I said, in the next part of this video, I'm going to combine 2 or more baby animals into one image. So we are going to create the composite image of this animal. So for that, we are going to use this same images only. I'm just changing the prompt. Let's try different animal. Okay. So I'm just clicking on generate. Here is the prompt. Cute baby deer fawn running in jungle animated Toy Story. Toys come to life. Friendship highly detailed. Yeah. So this is what we got. Deer is running. Regenerate. I did not like this that much. I'm just regenerating. Let's just zoom. So now let's try the different background. We need to have 2-3 animals images with the same background. Like I have taken here jungle background. So as we are going to combine, so if the background is of jungle background, then it will be easy to combine. So just make sure while creating the images to take the same background. Now I'm just trying this different prompt. Cute baby dog, puppy, playing in garden, Toy Story, toys come to life, highly detailed. So the prompt is same. I'm just changing the background and the name of the animal. So here you can see it's really adorable. If you like the image but you did not like the quality, so you can just right click here on Windows, or you can just control and tap on the image if you're on Mac, and you can do upscale by 4x and the image will be upscaled. See, the image is getting upscaled. It will improve the quality of overall image. In the free Playground account, it just provides 30 upscale a month, so use it wisely. See, it is done. I'm just downloading it now. It is downloaded. So this is the output. One more prompt with a different background. Generate cute baby elephant calf in the circus doing a stunt with a baby boy. Toy Story, toys come to life, highly detailed. We got the image of elephant, baby elephant playing in the doing stunt in the circus. Okay. They did not add the baby boy, but the result is good. I can just regenerate it again. So we have to regenerate if you are not getting the expected output. They are adding the baby elephant with the elephant, you can see. Okay. But if you keep on trying 2-3 times more, then definitely we would get. I'm just showing you the last prompt. Generate cute baby bear cub running in a jungle, animated, toy story, toys come to life, friendship, highly detailed. Yeah, see what we got. It's very good result. Yeah, so you can see we have tried out many animals. You can see tiger with just short prompt, okay, but this wasn't detailed. Then we just changed the prompt and we got this. Impressive, right? After that, this deer is running. Then this dog is playing in the garden. After that, the elephant is doing stunt. And this bear is running. Like if you do the same settings and if you just use the same prompt, then definitely you would get the same result. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. In the next video, I will explain how to combine multiple baby animals into a single image like this you can see on the screen. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.